Hello everyone, my name is Shikhar Vats and from today I will be starting my first video series on Vedic astrology on my YouTube channel. So daily I will be uploading a different and exciting video on Vedic astrology and its different principles and techniques. So the intent to start this video series is to let everyone understand what is Vedic astrology and why it is so important in our life. And also if somebody wants to learn the astrology, they can get benefit from these videos. So I know a lot of you guys must be very well versed with the astrology and its different techniques and principles, but I want to make these videos so simple and easy so that anyone can understand these concepts of astrology. So coming back to astrology, what is astrology? So astrology is a science which tells us about our past, about our present, and about our future, and what is going in our day-to-day life. So similarly, like physics and chemistry works in our day-to-day life, astrology also works in our day-to-day life and holds very importance in our life. So what is the most important thing which everyone has in astrology is horoscope. So what is a horoscope? A horoscope is a graphical representation of one's personality and one's life through houses, signs, and planets. So in Vedic astrology we have 12 houses, 9 planets, and 12 signs. So which means each house will be having a sign in it, and every single planet will be in one or the other house and a sign, which also means that maybe more than one planets can be in one sign and a house, which holds different meaning to different persons. So now coming back on planet. So planet holds very significant role in one's life, and they want to show us different things about our life, but the only way to learn those things and to know about those things is astrology. So as we know, as I've already told you, that we have 9 planets in Vedic astrology. So what are those 9 planets? Those 9 planets are Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu. Out of which Rahu and Ketu are called shadow planets. So we have 7 planets and 2 shadow planets. So now let us take one by one what these planets mean. First, Sun. So Sun represents our fatherly figures. Sun represents government. Sun represents politics. Sun represents our creativity. Coming on to Moon. Moon represents our mother. Moon represents our emotions, our mental state, and our mental stability. Coming on to Mercury. Mercury is our day-to-day logic. Mercury is our intellect. Mercury is our analytical ability. Coming on to Jupiter. Jupiter is expansion. Jupiter is divine knowledge, wisdom, and Jupiter means law. Jupiter is finance, and Jupiter also means spouse in a female's chart. Similarly, Venus means spouse in a male's chart, but Venus also means comfort, passion, compassion, and our romance and our attractions. Now coming on to Mars. Mars is our anger. Mars is our energy. Mars is our desire. Now Saturn. So Saturn represents structure. Saturn represents delays. Saturn represents discipline in one's life. Rahu and Ketu, these are the 2 nodes of a moon, north node and a south node. So Rahu represents north node of a moon and Ketu represents south node of a moon. They have their own characteristics, but when they sit with some planet, they absorb their characteristics. So all these things and in detail explanation of all these planets and houses and signs I will be covering up in my coming videos. So now, as I told you, we have 12 signs. So what are those 12 signs? These signs starts from Aries, then Taurus, then Gemini, then Cancer, then Leo, then Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. So these are the 12 signs which is held by different planets, which we'll be covering in later videos. So these houses and these signs and planets sitting in them has different significance in one's life. Planets have their dignity, planets have their relationship with each other, planets have their mutual aspects to each other, which we'll be covering in our coming videos. So guys, this is my first video where I've explained you the concept of astrology, what is astrology is, and what are the planets, what are the houses, what are the signs which astrology has. So in detail we'll be covering each and every topic day by day. So guys, if you like my video, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel below to get the daily videos. And also, if you have any questions, please feel free to post them. I will be more than happy to answer them. And also, if you want me to make certain kind of a video or a different video which you guys are interested in, just let me know. I will definitely be working on that video. So guys, thank you. See you. Have a good day.